The craft is a powerful and unruly creature that can be tamed using the design process. It can be used across all different types of design and is a guide for the modern crafter. This generic version has 11 steps that I have found consistent in getting the desired result, though this can be modified for different outputs. For example, a logo will have different needs than a video. This guide has a short description embedded within each section for the crafter. The most useful thing about a process like this is that it allows you to visualize the journey from the beginning to the end. It also allows one to grasp the fickle spirit of inspiration and control it in a manner that allows creation to happen time and time again. While this process has been built for design, it can be used across many different ventures. This is an introduction to the process. Should you wish to see it in action, I will go through a logo design using this process next time we meet. Until then, should you wish to use this generic version of the process, you can find it on my Patreon at Inkantress.